Have you been trying to contact Character AI support but getting no reply? In this video, I'm going to simply show you the real way to contact Character AI support properly in order for you to be able to increase your chances of actually getting responses very fast. You're welcome back to Ask Daniel Face. This channel is where I help you fix app problems, tech issues, and online platform error quickly and easily. So now, Character AI users are currently dealing with age verification problem, missing features, login issues, subscription error, and support not replying. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you what actually works and how you can actually report to Character AI and get a response very fast. A lot of people are actually doing this, but are doing this the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can actually file a ticket and get response fast. So looking right here on the screen is the home page of my Character AI app. So the first step you need to take right here on your Character AI app, looking right here at the bottom, you can see your profile. So if you go ahead and click on your profile like this, you'll be able to see your profile like this. Now this is your profile. Looking right here, you can see the little gear icon right there. You can see it here. So if you click on the gear icon like this, it is actually going to redirect you to your settings. This is your settings, your Character AI settings. So you need to scroll down gently and look for where you can see help support. So once you go to that page, this is actually their official support page. So you just need to go ahead and click on it like this. So the fastest and best method is using the official Character AI support page directly from their website. Looking right here, you can see their official page. So when submitting your request, make sure you select the correct category. So you need to select the correct category. If you click on the category like this, you are going to see some option. You might see something went wrong like this. You might see age verification, billing problem, login issue, app bugs, account access problem. Just select the specific problem that you are facing. So lots of people actually skip this part, but choosing the wrong category can actually delay your response. So you need to select the right category. Now once you select the right category, it is actually going to direct you as well to the next page where you need to input your Gmail and all this information. Now this is the important part. Don't just go ahead and type please help. Instead, you can actually explain the issue clearly. So instead of typing just help, you can actually include what happened, that is the specific thing that actually happened before that error actually started, or what is actually currently happening to your account. Or you can simply also add to them. You can also add to your message when the problem actually started and the phone or device you are currently using, and also a screenshot if possible, and the things you've actually tried in order to fix that problem already. You need to clearly add all of this in your message in order to make it easier for the Character AI team to understand your message clearly. So looking right here on the screen, this is what you simply need to do in order to get fast response from the Character AI team support. So now let me give you guys a realistic tip. If you keep spamming the support ticket repeatedly, it can actually slow things down. So instead of doing that, you just need to submit one detailed ticket, just as I've explained how you need to articulate and arrange your tickets in order for you to be able to get the best response. So you just need to submit one detailed ticket, wait patiently, and avoid reopening multiple requests. Once you do this, is actually going to help you to get the fastest response. And also you should actually note that users actually get responses faster during weekdays compared to weekends. So you can actually try this from Monday to Friday and not Saturday and Sunday, and you'll be able to get fast response from the Character AI team. So if the app support section isn't actually working properly, you can actually try to open the Character AI in your Chrome or another website, or submit your request there instead. Now while you are on this Character AI support page, looking right here at the top right corner, you can see where it says sign in. You need to go ahead and click on that sign in button and sign in with your Gmail that is linked to your Character AI app before submitting your report. That is actually going to help them to know the specific account that they are trying to help, and they are going to be able to help you very fast. So sometimes the mobile app actually glitches and fails to send tickets properly. So the best way to correct that is by using your Chrome or your browser or your desktop itself. And also, I want to be honest with you guys, character AI support does not actually always respond instantly for everyone. Sometimes the reply are fast, sometimes the reply might actually delay due to high support traffic and ongoing app issue. So if this video actually helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Ask Daniel Fix for more character AI tutorials, app fixes and tech solutions. And if support eventually reply to your ticket, comment below and let others know what worked for you. See you in the next one.